Call back your power. By all means, every day, twice a day, however it is that it fits into your own personal spiritual and connection practice. Put your hand on your heart and speak out to the all that is and call back all of your power. But you want to be powerful? Do you want to be full of power? Call back all of your wounds. Call back all of your trauma. Call back all of the fractals of yourself and the parts and the pieces of your heart and your energy and your frequency and your inner child and your inner teenager, all of the pieces of you that didn't get what they needed because they were too busy trying to survive. That is powerful. And do it with an open heart, not from fear or trepidation or overwhelm or allowing other people's beliefs and stories about all the other things that you could call back by accident. Don't let any of that rule you. Open your heart. Commit to being in this as deeply and for as long as it takes. Call back your power and then be powerful and call back all the other parts of you with an open heart, with compassion and with love. And then gently sit with every single part of you. You see, unity is a word that we use to talk about New Earth. But in actuality, unity happens within first. It is the reunification within that becomes the emanation of that as our collective human experience. We are unifying all of the parts of ourselves, all what we call the past lives and the parallel lives, and we unify the ego with the soul, and then we bring back home our inner child. But all the other parts and pieces that you see as your power that is out there, call them back. For sure, absolutely call them back. But also understand that the most powerful thing you can do is to call back all your wounds and traumas and all the bits and pieces and parts of yourself that are frozen, that are stuck, that are just waiting for you to call them back home.